Today, we learn the Chinese structure qì. This is a very important and interesting character in Chinese because qì originally referred to air or breath and later developed meanings related to energy, mood, and atmosphere. In real-life Chinese, it appears in many everyday words related to weather, emotions, physical strength, temperature, and even luck. In Chinese, qì is often connected to invisible things you can feel but cannot physically touch. Sometimes it refers to actual air, and sometimes it refers to emotional energy or atmosphere. Once you understand qì, a lot of Chinese vocabulary becomes much easier to remember. The first word is tiānqì, pronounced tiānqì, which means weather. The first character, tiān, means sky or heaven, and qì means air. So if you look at the literal image, it's basically the air in the sky. That naturally became the word for weather. Chinese speakers use this word all the time in daily conversation. For example, you can say, 今天天气特别好, which means the weather is especially nice today.
The second word is shēngqì, shēngqì, which means to be angry. Sheng means to generate or to arise, and qì here refers to emotional energy. So the image is that emotion rises up inside you. That's why shēngqì means getting angry. A very natural sentence is 别生气了，我们慢慢聊, which means don't be angry. Let's talk it through.
The third word is kōngqì, kōngqì, meaning air. Kōng means empty or space, and qì means air or gas. Together, it literally describes the air filling empty space around us. This is one of the most straightforward words with qì. For example, 这里的空气很新鲜 means the air here is very fresh. The fourth word is kèqi, kèqi, meaning polite. Ke means guest. In traditional Chinese culture, guests are treated with respect and warmth. So kèqi originally carries the idea of treating someone with the courtesy you would show to a guest. That's why today it simply means polite. A common phrase is 你太客气了, which means you're too polite.
The fifth word is lìqi, lìqi, which means physical strength. Li means power or strength, and qi represents energy. So together, it creates the image of the energy inside your body becoming physical power. For example, 今天我一点力气都没有了 means I have no strength at all today.
The sixth word is yùnqi, yùnqi, meaning luck. Yun means to move or to carry along, and qi here suggests flowing energy. So the original feeling is that fortune is flowing toward you or away from you. That became the idea of luck. For example, 你今天运气真不错 means your luck is really good today. The seventh word is qìqiú, qìqiú, meaning balloon. This one is easy to remember. Qi means air, and qiu means ball, so it literally means an air-filled ball. That's exactly what a balloon is. A simple example is 小孩子很喜欢气球, meaning kids really like balloons. The eighth word is qìwēn, qìwēn, which means temperature. Qi refers to air, and wen means warmth or temperature. So literally, it's the warmth of the air. In natural speech, it simply means temperature, especially outdoor temperature. For example, 今天的气温有点低 means today's temperature is a bit low. The ninth word is qìwēi, qìwēi, meaning smell or odor. Qi refers to air or gas, and wei means taste or smell. Together, it gives the image of a smell traveling through the air. Native speakers often use this word when talking about noticeable odors. For example, 这个房间怎么有一股奇怪的气味 means, why does this room have a strange smell? The last word is 冷气. 冷 means cold, and qi means air. So the literal meaning is cold air. In many Chinese-speaking regions, especially Taiwan and Southeast Asia, people also use lěngqì to mean air conditioning. For example, 商场里的冷气太强了 means the air conditioning in the mall is too strong.